If you have been looking for a hairspray that doesn't make your hair look crunchy and plasticky, instead give you a satin smooth finish with a long-lasting effect and also doesn't lead to hair breakage, then I think your search has finally ended. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya and in this video I will be talking to you about my most favorite hairstyling product, that's a hairspray. I'm super happy and excited to share with you that L'Oreal Paris has finally launched their Elnett Hair Spray in India and you can easily get your hands on it. I've seen some of the best hairstylists from around the world use this hairspray because this one literally takes care of all the hairstyle problems. From taming frizzy baby hair to holding up the volume and bounce of your curls or adding that little extra shine to your hairstyle, this one does it all. The L'Oreal Paris Elnett Hair Spray has a long-lasting effect of 24 hours and you need not wash it the next day because it doesn't make your hair crunchy, hard or weird. Its micro-diffusion technology ensures that the product spreads evenly and firmly holds the texture. Ever since I started using Elnett, I realized why this one is so much loved by professional hairstylists, and I think it's safe to say that this one is my favorite too. Alright, so now comes the most interesting part of the video. I will be showing you how I use the Elnett hairspray to keep my most loved hairstyle in place for long hours. The hairstyle that I'm going to show you today is a very simple everyday hairstyle that can be done on any hair texture, any hair length, and goes with every outfit that you like. So for this hairstyle you need just two things. One is of course a comb, anything will work, whichever is handy, and then you'll need some tic tac pins like this. I feel these are very easy to work with for the hairstyle that I'm gonna do. Otherwise you can also use bobby pins, which are like these, whichever you like, whichever is convenient for you. So we are going to start by making a side parting, but it doesn't have to be too far away from the center parting. Just make sure to smooth out your hair so that there are no tangles. So now that our parting is ready, we are going to start with the broader section. I'm going to take a 1-inch section just near the parting like so. It should be something like this. Then we are going to divide it into two halves like this. Make sure that you smooth out the strands so that there are no tangles and it looks very crisp and clean. Then we are going to take the outer strand, take it over the middle one, and then for this strand add more hair like so, and then take it over. And once you're left with no hair to add, just make a regular twist like so. Just enough to pin it back. So I'm going to braid it a little bit more. Now we are all set. I'm going to lift up this portion and take this twist over here and then just use a couple of tic tac pins to secure it. Then I'm going to bring a section of my hair from back to the front and it will look something like this. Now if you like, you can leave it as is or you can do a similar twist on the other side. If you're going to keep it an open hairstyle like me, don't forget to leave some hair just above your ear. Hairspray, let me show you the current situation. Now I do have some new baby hair coming out, so it's very difficult to incorporate these in the twist, so they tend to fall off, and that's how it looks, and it's not a very pretty situation honestly. I do have some hair which have a mind of their own on this part as well, so yeah. For all of this, Elnett hairspray comes really handy because it helps keeping everything together and in place for a really long time, so I'm just gonna use that. Now once you've sprayed, take your fingers and very gently merge the baby hair into the hairstyle like so. And if you have any frizz or any baby hair or any hair popping out from this side, take a little bit more spray and then just settle them down like this. That's it, and you are done. So once the hairspray is all set, you can run your fingers through the hairstyle and you will not feel that crunchy or that hard, weird, dry feeling that you usually get when you use regular hairsprays. And also it has a very nice, mild, lingering fragrance that it adds to your hairstyle, and I absolutely love and enjoy it. So it's been 2 hours since I applied the hairspray and I do not see any baby hair coming off from the twist, nor do I have any hair poking up from here, because I do have some new hair growth coming and that kind of looks a little weird every time I do some hairstyle. But the Elnett spray keeps everything in place. They are settled, nothing is out of place, everything looks just perfect to me. The L'Oreal Paris Elnett Hair Spray is undoubtedly one of my favorite hairstyling products, and this is something that I wholeheartedly recommend to you guys, especially if you're somebody like me who loves to experiment and do their own hairstyles, from crimping to curls to braids to buns to twists to ponytails to literally anything. I think this is going to sort your everyday hairstyle hustle. So that was all for this video. I absolutely loved shooting this one. I hope you enjoyed it too. I will see you very soon with another hairstyle video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.